My child, I need to tell you something that is going to shake you awake. You have been waiting for permission that I already gave you. You have been asking for signs I already sent. You have been praying for open doors that have been unlocked this entire time. The only thing standing between you and your breakthrough is the belief that you need more approval, more confirmation, more proof before you move. Let me be clear. I already said yes. The moment I planted that dream in your heart, I said yes. The moment that vision kept you awake at night, I said yes. The moment you felt that pull towards something bigger than your current reality, I said yes. You are not waiting on me. I am waiting on you. There was a woman named Rachel who had a gift for writing. She could take words and turn them into windows that let people see their own souls. But Rachel never shared her writing with anyone. She kept notebooks full of stories, poetry, truth that could heal thousands. And every time she thought about publishing, about sharing, about stepping into what I created her for, fear whispered the same lie. You are not ready yet. Wait until you are better. Wait until you have more credentials. Wait until people ask for it.
So she waited. Year after year, those notebooks piled up. Her gift gathered dust, while the world stayed hungry for exactly what she carried. And I kept whispering, Rachel, I already gave you permission. You do not need a publisher to validate what I put inside you. You do not need a degree to authorize what I already anointed. Just start. Just share, just step. But she kept waiting for a sign big enough, clear enough, loud enough to drown out her fear. Until one day, her daughter found one of those notebooks. She was 16, struggling with depression, drowning in thoughts that told her she did not matter. And she read her mother's words about worth, about purpose, about being seen and known and loved beyond measure. And something broke open inside her. She looked at her mom with tears streaming and said, Mom, why have you been hiding this? This just saved my life. That was Rachel's moment. Not a publisher calling, not a bestseller list, not applause from strangers. Her own daughter, healed by words Rachel almost kept silent forever. And in that moment, she understood. I was never withholding permission. She was withholding obedience. My child, what are you waiting for? What dream are you holding hostage until conditions are perfect? What gift are you burying until you feel ready enough, worthy enough, qualified enough? I am telling you right now, you already have everything you need. I already equipped you. I already anointed you. I already opened the door. Now walk through it. You do not need more education. You need more obedience. You do not need more resources. You need more faith. You do not need more time. You need more courage. Because the world is waiting for what only you can give. There are people praying for the exact solution you carry. There are hearts breaking that only your story can mend. There are futures unlocking that only your obedience can release. Stop asking for signs. Start acting on the ones I already gave you. Stop waiting for perfect timing. The timing is now. Stop waiting for confidence. Confidence comes after obedience, not before. Stop waiting for permission from people who cannot see what I see in you. I already said yes. That is the only permission you need. Today, right now, take one step. Not the whole staircase, just one step toward the thing I have been whispering to your heart. Send the email, make the call, start the project, share the gift, speak the truth. Whatever it is, stop rehearsing and start performing. Stop preparing and start producing. Stop waiting and start walking. I am with you. I have always been with you. And I already gave you permission. Now give yourself permission and watch what I do when you finally say yes to what I said yes to long ago.